Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add text templates to your videos on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want. You can add in any video. Basically I'm just going to use this photo. You can use the video as well, by the way, but just go to text and add in your default text, and then you are going to select, go to text template, and you are just going to find the text template that you want to use. I'm going to find the message one because it suits this the best. So add in your text template, and then you can also edit the text here. Say she loves you. You can edit the text here, and then you can also change this one as well, and you can also change the font and style here, and the color as well of the text. As you can see, it changes color. It's very hard to see. Let me just zoom in a little bit. And you can also change the font as well here if you want to. Also down here you can do the exact same thing, and that is basically it for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!